Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You're logged in, 2FA is active, and you know which market and pair contain the order. Next, open Bybit and go straight to derivatives or spot depending on the trade. Make sure you select the correct trading pair. Once the order list loads, use the Active Orders tab and apply filters for side or time to surface the target order quickly. This reduces mistakes and speeds cancellation. Once the target order is visible, inspect its ID, size, price, and filled percentage so you cancel the right one. Click Cancel on that line. If you have multiple similar orders, use Cancel All but double-check filters first. For conditional or stop orders, switch to the Conditional Orders tab and repeat the cancel action because they're managed separately. Make sure the order state changes to Canceled or Pending Cancel so you know the exchange received the request. Finally, confirm the cancellation by checking order history and your available balance. This tells you whether the funds or position were released. If the cancel didn't go through, refresh, reattempt cancel, and avoid placing contradictory orders. Network lag can cause delays. If you still see an active order, copy the order ID, take screenshots, and contact Bybit support. Provide timestamps for faster resolution. This ensures you reclaim funds and prevent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.